Hello, my students. How are you? Grade 3. Today we'll complete explain from Master Book General Revision. Now I will explain Chapter 5. Okay. Chapter 5 talk about the area and the parameter, about square, rectangle. We can find the area of square by side, and square has 4 sides equal lengths. You can find the area of square side by side and parameter 4 times side, because square has 4 sides are equal lengths. Okay. And also rectangle, we have 2-dimension difficult in the lenses. We can find the parameter of rectangle twice the sum of length and width. And the parameter of a rectangle, we can write twice the sum of length and width. And the area equal length times width. First question here, he asked about the parameter of square with side length 6 centimeters. The parameter equal 4 times side. Because square has 4 sides are equal in lengths. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, it's meaning 4 times 6 equal 24. And the parameter 4 product by 6, 24. Next question number 2. The parameter of rectangle, we have 2 dimension, y length 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Then the parameter equal twice the sum of length and width, 8 and 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 times 2 equal 20. Then the parameter will be 20 centimeter. Next question. Huda is sewing the edges of square baby blanket of side length was side length 20 centimeter. Then the length of edges equal what? We have square blanket of side length is 20 centimeter. Okay. The length of edges, it will be what? Centimeter. He won't find the length of edges. We can count 4 sides about the square. How does swing the edges? We have each length was 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 plus 20 plus 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 20 times 4 equal 80 centimeter. It's meaning what here? The parameter. He asked about here the parameter. Okay, this question refers to the length of the edges. It's meaning what? It's meaning the parameter, sum of all sides. The result will be 80 centimeter. Next question here is the parameter of the opposite triangle. We can collect all sides. 5 plus 5 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. In the parameter, it will be 14 centimeter. Next question number 5. The area of square side is 5 centimeter here. The area equals side by side. 5 times 5 is 25. Then the area of square, 5 times 5 is 25. Then the area will be 25 square centimeter. The area of rectangle with 5 centimeter long and 2 centimeter width, we equal right here 2 times 5 equal 10. The area of rectangle equal length times width, product between 2 dimensions. 5 times 2 equal 10. Then the area will be 10 square units or square centimeter. 2 times 5 equal 10. Next question number 7. A rug is 3 meters long and 8 meters width. In the area of rug, we have rectangle here. The area of rectangle equal product to 2 dimensions, length times width. The product between 2 dimensions here is 8 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. In the area will be 24 square centimeter or square meter. The area of square whose side length 6 centimeter, it will be what? We can find the area side by side. 6 times 6 is 36. Next question number 9. Rami planted 2 areas with flowers. The area of one of them is 3 times 6 and the other is 2 times 9. And the sum of 2 areas, we can find area 1 and area 2. Area 1, 3 times 6 equal 18 and area 2, 2 times 9 equal 18. Okay, 18 plus 18 is 36. The answer is 36. Next question here is 3 times 20. We can product 2 numbers here, put 0 first, and 2 times 3 equals 6. Then 3 times 20 equals 60, okay? The answer here will be 60. 5 times 60, put 0 here, and 5 times 6 is 30. The result will be 300. Next question, 4 times 80, put 0 here, and 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 70, we know 3 times 7 is 21, right? 0, 210 equal 10 times 21. Next question, 50 times 30 equals 15. We can product a number, right? Double 0 and 3 times 5, 15. The result will be 1,500. What is the number? 10 times what equal 1,500? We can divide it by together. The result will be 150. Okay, then we must write here 150. 50. Again, this example, can you see the question or not? Is it clear? Again? Oh, not clear. Okay, I will clear it again. Explain again, okay? 50 times 30. 50 times 30, we must put double zero here. 0 and 0. And 3 times 5, 15. And the answer will be 1,500. Equals P-teens. We know the number 150 product by 10 equal 1,500. The result will be 150. Choose 150, okay? Next question. What is the answer now? Okay. Next question. Where? This question, 15, yes, question number 15. 5 times 40 equals space times 4 times 10. We know 4 times 10 is 40, then the remainder here 5. We're missing, right, 5 here. 8 times 30, no, 30 equal 10 times 3, right, 3, because it was repeating. Then we must write 3 here. Then you must write 3 in this place. Next question. Answer each of the following. We have triangle here. The name of this figure, we called it triangle. Because we have 3 sides of this figure, we call it triangle. This name. And the number of sides, we have 3 sides. The perimeter of triangle equals the sum of all sides. We can add all numbers here by together to find the perimeter. Okay, to find the perimeter, you must add all sides here. First side was 4 and 4, and the third 3. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. And the perimeter will be 11 centimeter. Next question finds the perimeter. We can collect 3 plus 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3 is 12. And the perimeter of square side by 4. 3 times 4 equal 12 centimeter. Because square has 4 sides equal lengths, then the perimeter equal 12 centimeter. Next question. Here, number 4, find the perimeter of the object rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle equal twice the sum of lengths and widths. 4 and 2 equal 2 produced by 4 plus 2, 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Then the perimeter will be 12 centimeter. And here you won't find the perimeter of the object figure. We have trapezium. The trapezium, we know this trapezium has only one pair parallel sides. We can find the perimeter, collect all sides, right? 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And the perimeter equal 12 centimeter. Now we won't find the perimeter of the object figure. We can collect 6. 6 also. 4 and 4. The result will be 20 centimeter. A square with side length 5 centimeter. What is the perimeter? The perimeter equal 4 times 5. It's 20 because square has 4 sides equal lengths. Next question down here, rectangle. Look at here, number 8. Rectangle with 2 dimensions 6 and 4. Calculate the perimeter. The perimeter twice length plus width. We can collect 4 and 6. 6 plus 4 equal 10. Okay, we can collect 6 plus 4, 10. 10 times 2 equal 20 centimeter. It's a perimeter about this rectangle. Next question. A room with 3 meters long and 2 meters width. Calculate the perimeter. We have rectangle here also. The perimeter of rectangle equal twice the sum of lengths and widths. Okay, twice. Here, lengths and widths. 3 and 2, we have 2 dimensions. 3 product by 5 equal 10 meter. Khulud is sewing a border or square blanket. The length of blanket is 15 centimeter and width 15. How long the border? It's meaning what is the perimeter? He asked here about the perimeter. We can collect twice the sum of lengths and widths. The length here was 15 and the width also was 15. We have 2 dimension equality. 2 dimension here equality. It will be square. In the perimeter, you can write this rule direct. 4 times 15 equals 60 centimeter. Okay, or twice the sum of length and width. Or you can solve by this method or by this method because the rectangle here convert to square, because he gave me two dimensions equivalent. Length equal 15 centimeter and width also equal 15 centimeter. Okay, so then the answer here will be 60, or 15 plus 15, 30. 30 times 2 equals 60 centimeter. Number 11. A book has length 15 centimeter and width 10. What is the parameter? Okay, we can find the parameter twice the sum of length and width. 2 divided by 15 plus 10 is 25, times 2 is 50 centimeter. Find the area of the figure. We have rectangle, 2 dimension here. 3 times 7 is 21 square centimeter, area of rectangle. Next question, a square shaped in which side length 9 meter. Find the area. The area of square equals side by side. 9 times 9 equal 81 square meter. Number 14, rectangle garden is dimension 10 and 3 meter. Okay, number 14, pay attention with me. You won't find here the area. Okay, the area of rectangle equal twice the sum of the area equal length times width. We can product two numbers here to find the area. Okay, to find the area, we have two dimensions and 3. The area equal length product by width equal area. Then we have 10 times 3 equals 30 square meter. Number 15, Muhammad is building a B2 out square tiles. He wants the length of B2 is to be 8 tiles and width be 5. From the same type, how many tiles will he use in all build the B2? We can find here the area. Okay, he asked about square tiles. Okay, you can find the area to find the number of tiles who he will need to use to build a B2. We can write 8 by 5 equal 40 tiles. You won't find the number will be 40 because we have squared. We have squares, and the area of squares equal side by side. So we can write the square units here about the area. Area equal length times width. To find the area, we can find what 8 times 5 equal 40. Now I will complete question number 16. A square carpet with side length 3 meter, and you want to find the area. Area equal length by itself 3 times 3 equal 9. Then the area will be 9 square meter. Number 17. Ibrahim bought 3 boxes to read. Each book cost 20 pounds. How much did Ibrahim pay? Okay, he paid 3 boxes, and the price of each one book equal 20. Then we can find the collect between together. Deduct 3 times 20. The number of boxes 3, and the value or the price of each one book equals 20 pounds. Since the total will be 3 times 20 equals 60 pounds. 3 times 50 equal, we know 5 times 10 equal 50. Okay, again 3 times 50 equal, we have here 10. Then 50, we can write 5 times 10 and write 3. We used here commutative properties to find the answer. And also associative, 3 times 5, 15. 15 producted by 10 equal 150. 6 times 40, we know 40 equal 10 times 4 times 6. 6 times 4, 24. 24 times 10, it will be 240. 240. Next question here, number 20. 90 times 5 equal 10 times what times what? Okay, we can write 90 here equal 10 times 9. Okay, 10 times 9 is 90. I'll write 5 also. Using associative properties, find the answer in the brackets. 9 times 5 is 45. Reduct by 10, write 45 and 0 behind it. Next question. Look at with me here. The parameter. Here we can find how many we have here, 2 units, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Okay, then the parameter equal twice the sum of lengths and widths. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 times 2 equal 12. And the area product between 2 dimension, width and length. Okay, 2 times 4 equal 8 square units. And also we can find the parameter. We have square 1, 2, 3. The dimension 3. And the parameter equal 4 times 3 equal 12 length units. It's parameter. And next question. the area equal side by side. 3 times 3 equal 9. And the parameter here, we have length and width. Then the parameter equal twice the sum of length and width. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 times 2 equal 2 times 9 equal 18 meter. Okay, the parameter equal 18 meter. And the area equal product between two dimensions. 3 times 6 equal 18 square meter. Next question. In the opposite polygon here, we have polygon, and he gave me the two dimensions. He won't find the parameter here. The parameter equals sum of length and width product by 2. Okay, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. And the area product between two dimensions, 4 times 5 is 20. We have rectangles, the area will be 20 square meter. And also parameter here, we can write 7 plus 4 times 2, twice the sum of length and width. Sine sum 11, 4, 4 times sum 11, sine 7 plus 11, 4 equal 11. 11 times 2 equal 22 meters. Okay, since the parameter here equal 22. And this question, we have the area product between two dimensions, 7 and 4. 4 times 7 equal 28 square meter. Next question. Here also, it's repeating question. You can solve it. But in this example, I want you to count with me, okay? Count with me here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have two dimensions to confine the parameter twice the sum of length and width. Length here 8 and width 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 times 2 equal 26 meter. And the area here, we can product between two dimensions, right? 5 times 8 equal 40 square meter. And this also square. All sides are equal lengths. The area 6 by 6 equal 36. And the parameter here, 4 times 6 equal 24 centimeter. We have also here rectangle. The parameter equal twice the sum of lengths and width. It will be 30 centimeter. And the area 10 times 5 product between two sides will be 50 square centimeter or square meter. Now we have rectangle here. Give me two dimension. Don't choose diagonal. We don't need diagonal here, but I want also two dimension, 5 and 4 only. Okay. Don't choose 9. 9 here we call it diagonal. We don't need 9 because he won't find what? He won't find the area and parameter. The area here. We can product 5 times 4 equal 20. And the parameter twice the sum of length and width. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. You can solve this question. Put 0 here and 2 times 4 equal 8. Put 0. 3 times 9 equal 27. 7 times 0, 0. 3 times 5 times 7 is 35. You can complete this question like this, okay? General division, I will explain it next video. Okay, my students? Understood? Don't worry, I will complete all questions. Okay, goodbye.